Take one piece of garlic on empty stomach every morning to eliminate these 7 health issues. You could say without a doubt that garlic is one of the most widely used medicinal remedies out there. Known for centuries and present in nearly all cultures, garlic is more than just a spice used in cooking around the world. The sulfur compounds and phytonutrients have made garlic famous since ancient times because they fight illnesses. That's why it's generally believed that garlic drives away not only vampires, but any epidemic or disease. So, what kind of benefits can you get from eating a clove of garlic a day? 1. Garlic improves circulation. Garlic is rich in vitamin B, an essential compound that reduces your homocysteine levels. This substance is responsible for constricting your blood vessels and causing a variety of problems. 2. Garlic, an excellent natural antibiotic. Did you know that during medicinal shortages in World War II they used a lot of garlic? It's true. This powerful antibiotic was used back then and today. Eating a clove of garlic on a regular basis can help you in a variety of ways. 3. Garlic is great for the liver. More than anything else, garlic promotes detox. It helps your body eliminate toxins, parasites, and heavy metals like mercury or traces of medications that your liver isn't able to process. 4. It's a good decongestant. Do you suffer from lung problems? If you're one of those people who every time you catch a cold you wind up with your lungs full of phlegm and mucus, this could be very healthy for you. 5. Garlic cares for the skin. This is a surprising benefit that might interest you. When you eat a clove of garlic every day on an empty stomach, it can make your skin look more beautiful, smooth, and younger. 6. It reduces cholesterol levels. Garlic contains allicin, a therapeutic substance that cares for your cardiovascular system. The effect is so strong that just 1 clove a day can reduce your bad cholesterol levels by 9%. Several studies were conducted to arrive at this conclusion. One was at the Institute of Toxicology at Shandong University, China, where researchers concluded that the cardiovascular benefits were substantial. In fact, since then the Spanish Heart Foundation has recommended that people include garlic not just for cholesterol reduction but also as a detox agent with antibiotic and antibacterial properties. 7. Do you suffer from anemia? Don't forget to consume a garlic clove a day. No doubt at some point in your life you'll suffer from an iron deficiency. Why would the addition of garlic to your diet be appropriate?